Hi, Jim Robinson with ProfitTraining.com. We're going to take a look at December gold daily chart. The last time we looked at gold in a video, it was around this area, and I was expecting a correction, which was, I expected it to come down a little more maybe, or maybe be a little longer, but that just shows the strength of this market right now, that this correction has been such a shallow correction, and now gold is breaking out to new highs. Now here's the 14-day directional movement indicator. The purple line is plus directional movement. The green line is minus directional movement. So when the purple is above the green, that means the trend is up. And the red is the ADX line, and that was trending higher, and then it went down during the correction, but now it looks like it's about ready to move higher again, which will mean that gold is probably going to start trending higher. And that makes sense since it's breaking out to new highs here. Now here's the 50-day moving average. That shows the uptrend. And again, I was kind of expecting this correction maybe to, you never know for sure, but I was thinking it might go down and tag the 50-day or something like that, but it made its low in here and it's turned higher, and that's what so now we got to look for higher prices in gold. The correction's over basically. Okay, that's the daily chart. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. And let's see if this chart will come up here. It's kind of slow sometimes, but that wasn't too bad. Okay, the weekly chart is extremely bullish, making higher highs, and this was the last resistance area on the weekly chart of December gold. We found resistance at that area, which that is just classic, and then gold came down here and just traded sideways a few bars. And now with this breakout, again, that just is like a breakout to the upside and says higher prices. Now on the 14-week directional movement indicator, purple above green again, that's bullish. And the ADX is starting to rise, so that's very bullish. That means this market is probably starting a strong trend. And once it starts trending, the upside is just unlimited for the foreseeable future. And here on the weekly chart, the 50-week moving average is pointing up. So really all systems are go for gold to the upside. And really we've been looking for big bull markets in all these commodities for quite a while, and they've been pretty choppy overall. And I think the big bull markets are here. I think this thing's ready to take off, and this is where the markets are gonna go crazy, I guess you could say. So we're gonna be looking to buy. Gold going higher should take cocoa and coffee and sugar higher with it. Crude will probably rally now that the lid's off gold, and cotton, lumber, orange juice, and the grains, all those markets should be bullish. The meats will kind of trade their own way, but this in the long run, higher gold is inflationary and bullish for the meats too. But right now the meats I think are in a downtrend, so you just got to trade those kind of separately. And then the dollar, we'll take a look at the dollar in the next video and see what that looks like.